Hey guys, today in this video, I will show you how you can use Stremio app on iPhone. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, open the App Store on your mobile device. Go to the search section and search for Stremio Organizer. Now open this app and make sure to install it. Once the installation is done, open it up and sign into your account. If you don't have an account, you can create one by tapping on the sign up button at the bottom. Here you just need to enter your email. Create a strong password, accept the terms, and then tap on the sign up button. After logging in, all of the available movies and shows will be displayed. You can now tap on them, watch their trailer, and then add to your library only using your mobile device. That's basically how you can use Stremio app on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.